Hey girl, let's get into unboxing this unit I got from ISEE Hair. This is what it came with. We have a few goodies. We got some lashes. We also got an extra band. And this is a band to go around your lace, a cap, HD cap, and a brush, an edge brush. So this is the unit. It's 20 inches long. It's the Kinky straight texture. And this wig can be worn glueless. The hairline is already pre-plucked, it's bleached, it has a middle part already, and you see the lace is already cut. So I love when a wig comes like this, ready to be worn. So it already has a band in the inside. I love that it has this grip right here just for extra security. It has a comb in the back, and then it has 2 more combs on the side. So don't worry about security, it's definitely there. So now let's go ahead and slick my edges back, girl. So I'm just taking some gel, taking a brush, slicking my hair back, not doing too much, not doing no braids or anything. I'm just putting one of the caps on. I put the wig on. You see how it looks. It's nice, it's glueless. If you want to wear 100% glueless, you can take some foam and just apply foam to the hairline. I appreciate when I get a lot of lace in the front, but it doesn't come down to my ears because I don't like those ear flaps. Like, I just do not like tacking my wig down right there in my ears. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my lace bond spray by Kiss, and as you can see, I did one side, and you see how it just melts the lace into your skin. And look at the other side, you can still see that white cast. But if you don't want to use the spray and you want it to be like 100% glueless where you can lift it up, just apply some foam. But now I want to take that band and just let this sit while I go ahead and go through the hair with my flat iron. And I'm also going to use my hot comb. But before I do that, I'm going to put some setting mousse on there, and this is just going to help make sure that part area right here slicks down, and it's just going to help when I go through it with the hot comb. But this hair is full. These are the tools that I used, and yeah, so we're gonna have to go through this a lot just to get the crinkle out, and I wanted to get it straight. And we're also going to put some curls in it later on, but you're going to see I'm going to go through this hair a lot with the hot comb just because it is like it's a kinky texture, so it's definitely going to be a little puffy. But I went through it with the hot comb and I got it as straight as possible. I really needed my wax stick, however I ended up getting it straight. So I'm just going through and making sure I'm getting those roots really well with the hot comb, and then passing through with the flat iron as well. So the reason I picked this kinky texture is because I feel like it mimics my natural hair texture, and I wanted to show that, like, if you wanted to get something that matched more of your hair texture, you can definitely get that. It's doable, but I will say this hair mimics my natural hair, meaning after I did my hair, I went out, y'all, and it was raining and it puffed up. So when I tell you it mimics this texture, because it is the texture, like if your hair puffs up in the rain and all of that, baby, your wig is gonna do the same. So my curls messed up, everything messed up, and plus I didn't use any holding spray. But I just wanted to add that in because, like, girl, it's just like your hair. It's going to mimic your hair. If your hair puffs up, the wig gonna puff up. But look at how my lace looks. Looks so good. It blended so nicely. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with that hot comb a little bit more. And if you have a wax stick, I definitely recommend using your wax stick and then going over the roots with the hot comb. And that's just going to make sure that everything is sleek, flat. But I'm just getting my edges and I'm getting those roots a little bit more. But this is a close-up of how it looks. I did end up putting some concealer in my part, but I didn't do it on camera. But if you want your part to be a little bit more defined, you can add a little concealer. But now we're going to just add some oil to the hair, and then I'm just going to put some curls in it. But this is what it looks like straightened out. Like, I kept going in with the hot comb, and I did slick my edges down just a little bit. Sometimes I like baby hair, and then sometimes I don't. And if I do baby hair, I don't do a lot. But I feel like this wig just looks really good without any baby hair. But this is what it looks like straight. So nice, so full. And this is a back view as well of this unit. As you can see, it is super full. Well, I thought I was about to turn around to the back. Here we go. This is a back view of the unit. So yeah, very full, very nice. But let's go through this unit and put in some curls, girl. So I just did a few curls, nothing too dramatic, and I am going to cut a few layers. So as you can see, I'm taking big sections. I took about 3 to 4 sections on each side and curled the hair with the flat iron. I didn't want too many curls, so this is what it came out looking like. And I did the other side as well. And like I said, I am going to cut some layers in it because I just felt like it was not laying. Those curls in the front was just not laying the way I wanted it to. And I wanted just something that was going to frame my face. So that's why I went in with the shears. But I will have this unit linked down below. Again, it's from ISEE Beauty. If you guys are interested in it, it is a beautiful unit, y'all. When I tell you, it's definitely low maintenance when it comes to making sure the lace blends in. It's just so easy. I love the fact that they just made it so easy where you can take it out the box, curl it, and go. And if you want to wear it in its natural state, you can do that as well. But thank you to ISEE Beauty for sending over this unit. I will see you guys next time.